Let's talk about a very important concept to help improve your pronunciation. This is the concept of micro adjustments, and this is a core important tool when you are either practicing basic sounds or you're doing shadowing work for a sentence or a phrase. Micro means really small and adjustment means change. So let's say you're trying to get the e sound, the second vowel e. Now there's e and there's e, and your language probably has both of those sounds, but it might not have e. So you need to actually find where is the position and what exactly do you have to do with your tongue. The vowel charts are very useful for this. As I was saying, the vowel charts are very, very useful so that you can actually see approximately where you should put the sound in your mouth, although it doesn't tell you anything about how tense or relaxed your tongue should be or what the shape should be. When you're doing micro adjustments, I strongly recommend that you get feedback, at least from time to time, from a language exchange partner, a friend, or a tutor. But all you're really going to do is you're going to try to make the sound, and if it's not quite right, or if it's just wrong, you're going to make a little change in one direction, maybe a little higher, maybe a little farther back, whatever it is, and you're going to keep making these little changes until you get closer and closer to the sound and you actually find the sound. This also works for linking, moving between sounds.